Hi there, welcome to this tutorial on how to get started with Victor's new app templates. Before we begin, ensure you have Victor installed on your system. Now log into your environment and head over to the App Store. In the App Store, you'll find a variety of templates to choose from. We're always adding more, so keep an eye out for new additions. When you select the template, you can review the details about the app. Click View Demo to try it out or Repository to view the app's code. To create a new app from a template, click Select Template. Provide a name and description for your app and then just click Create App. We open PowerShell and run this command that you see on screen. This will download, install and set up your app. This is a good time to grab a cup of coffee or tea, as this might take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you'll be asked if you want to open your code editor. Press Enter to view and modify the complete app code. You can start modifying the app code right away and you can see the changes live in the development workspace. And that's it! You've successfully created and customized your very own Victor app using our templates.